In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ghost Feed in TradingView. If you're looking to enhance your trading strategies with some unique visualization features, Ghost Feed is a tool that can really take your chart analysis to the next level. Let's dive right in and get started with a step-by-step guide on how to use this function. The first thing you need to do is head over to your TradingView account and navigate to the chart section. TradingView offers a comprehensive suite of tools, making it an ideal platform for traders wanting to analyze market trends. Once you're on the chart page, this is where the magic will start to happen. Take a look at the toolbar on the side of your screen. Here, you'll find various icons for different tools. Your next step is to click on the Forecasting and Measurement tool. This tool is crucial as it houses many of the features that allow you to predict and measure market movements. Simply hover over the relevant icon until you find Forecasting and Measurement, then click to activate it. Now, focus on locating the Ghost Feed option within that toolset. The Ghost Feed tool is an excellent feature for mapping out hypothetical future price movements, allowing you to sketch potential scenarios on your chart. Activating Ghost Feed is as easy as giving it a click. This sets you up to add more layers of analysis to your trading decisions. Once you've selected Ghost Feed, the next part is where you get more interactive with your chart. Click directly on the chart where you want to start drawing your pattern. From this point, you're in control of designing potential price movements or patterns that you anticipate could happen based on your analysis. This is immensely useful for traders who like to visually test their theories about where a stock or asset might be headed in the future. As you draw, you can experiment with different predictions and visualize how various outcomes might unfold over time. It's a bit like conducting a thought experiment, letting your market predictions run wild in a controlled environment. While manipulation of this tool requires some creativity, try to base your scenarios on historical data and any technical analysis insights you might have. And there you have it. You're all set to leverage the Ghost Feed tool in TradingView. Remember, these simulations can enhance your understanding of market dynamics and potentially improve your trading strategies. Take your time tinkering with the settings and exploring different possibilities, as practice will lead to insight and more robust forecasting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find great success in your trading endeavors using this innovative tool from TradingView.